Today is the autumn equinox, also known as the first day of autumn or Mabon. Today, we're going to be making a simmer pot to bring prosperity and abundance into our home. We start out with cutting our apple and going out to our garden to cut some fresh herbs. If you don't have fresh, you can use dried herbs. They work just as well, and I just like to use fresh when I can. Next, I turn on my pot to medium heat, and next I'm going to put some moon water in that I had gathered from the past full moon on Monday. Next, we're gonna add our moon water. I'm gonna fill this 3/4 of the way full, and then we're going to keep it simmering on the medium heat. Next, I'm gonna add some apple in, associated with the season for bounty, protection, and love. Then I'm gonna add my cinnamon sticks in for protection and prosperity. They smell amazing and it's great for this time of year. Next, I'm gonna add in my rosemary for purification and removing negativity. Then I'm gonna add in my sage for cleansing and protection. It is also known to clear the mind and stimulate your intuition. Finally, I'm gonna add in my cloves for protection. This one drives away negativity and purifies your space. It is also a great spice to bring in prosperity. Then we're gonna stir clockwise and set our intention. Fun fact about Mabon, or the autumn equinox, it's the first day of autumn when day is equal to night, making it a time of balance, equality, and harmony. And during this time,